Welcome to District Selection Committee portal.
New users must register by filling out the form to receive a user ID and password.
After receiving your user ID and password, log in to complete your profile for the DSC Recruitment 2025 application.
In Section 2, please enter your academic and qualification details.
If you have completed an undergraduate degree, click here to add the details.
Enter your AP TATE qualification details to process your application. You may also add any additional qualifying papers if applicable.
After successful completion, check all verified and correct boxes to confirm your consent.
Finally, check the verified and correct boxes to confirm your eligibility based on your qualifications.
In Section 3, select the district or zone where you prefer to work. The system clearly displays the number of available posts for each subject across various locations.
The system also provides payment details for each post, along with information on local and non-local post eligibility.
The system allows you to set your post and district preferences using the up and down arrows. You are required to select all available options.
After setting your preferences, select your exam center from the drop-down list.
As mentioned, you have to select all available posts.
Enter the one-time pass received on your mobile for final confirmation of the number of posts applied for, both current and previous, then proceed with the payment. You have to first click on Verify and then Pay Now.
Once the payment is complete, print the entire application and view the details.
Lastly, upload all required supporting documents by clicking on the Document Uploads option. Thank you. All the best.